dem Gewicht von 30 Pkw entspricht. Das Höchstgewicht von...
Hi guys, welcome to a new location, already episode 8 of the 3rd season of the Belgium travel vlog series. Today we are going to explore the port city of Zeebrugge. Zeebrugge is seen as the capital of fish, partly because you can eat the tastiest fish dishes here on the entire Belgian coast. Zeebrugge also has its own international seaport, where impressive ships constantly sail back and forth. So let's explore the port city of Zeebrugge. So I just parked my car somewhere there, and it's right in front of the cruise terminal. Also here, the Belgian Navy. We are now going to the marina of Zeebrugge, and around 4 p.m. I have a boat excursion around the seaport of Zeebrugge, so that's a perfect way to see what's going on there. Here you already see a part of the marina, and full with apartment blocks on the side. So yeah, there's not much to see there, and I have to be there in 20 minutes, but I have to go all the way around. It's like a 15-minute walk, so I better cannot miss it. The boat was 15 euros, the excursion, and it's around 75 minutes. The beautiful West Hinder boat. Sadly enough, you can't visit anymore.
On the street, I'm just smiling big at everybody. 2 more blocks and I'll be at your door. Overcome, brother, nothing keeps me melancholy. Spread my wings, so damn ready to soar. And there couldn't be a better taste after everything I faced. I send a little luck my way, send a little bright sun ray to hit my skin. Dream that I cannot erase, keep it in a little case. Oh. Truth be told, is I've never felt better, and if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're together, because this new state of mind that I've struggled to find.
Wo Sie genau hinsehen, können Sie 2 Containertypen erkennen, große und kleine. Das gängigste Maß bildet dabei der 40-Fuß-Container, der somit
Gewoon tempelstad zou het hier in volle 5 minuten duren om van het ene eind naar het andere te lopen. Als u zich ondertussen afvraagt wat er toch allemaal...
So that was the boat excursion of the port of Zeebrugge. It was really nice. And now we are going to stroll around the promenade next to the beach. Here we have a beautiful church in Zeebrugge on our way to the center. So a couple of years ago I was here for a mountain bike race in the winter, a beach race of Zeebrugge, and the start was right next to the surf club. So look how long the beach is to the sea. So they say that the beach in Zeebrugge is the largest one in Belgium. Look how much space. And from here you can already see the pier of Blankenberge. So yeah, you can go inside here. Now it's a fun way to let the children play around the beach. That is a statue for St. George's Day. It was a Liberation Day here in Zeebrugge by the Englishmen. The 23rd of April 1918. Okay guys, are you interested in the seaport of Zeebrugge? Do you like very large beaches? Maybe a little bit quiet and more peaceful than other cities here in the Belgian coast, like Ostend or Knokke-Heist or De Panne? Then Zeebrugge is the right choice for you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video of Zeebrugge. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel LAWCATION, and I will see you again in another location. Ciao!
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.